Hello everyone, again this is Not from Best RV. I'm presenting to you the best deal on brand new 2025 Wildwood 29 View. 29 View from the name View. Why it's a view? Because it's very well known. It has all windows. Whole side is windows, over 4 big windows on the side, 3 windows in the kitchen, and it has the hidden bunk room area. It's unbelievable. When we go inside, I'm going to show you the hidden bunk room. On the 29 View is very well known. It has the outdoor kitchen with the grill and a fridge, nice outdoor speakers. I love those long LED lights, and there's a place where you could put your TV and outdoor living. Coming in. Features about the 29 View is the L lounge. So as you see, this has become a bed. This is jackknife had a bed sofa, so it's additional bed if I want, but I don't need it because I have enough bunk room in the back for 2. But if I have to sleep more people, I could turn this J lounge to a bunk room. And then at the same time, it has a beautiful entertainment center, so I could put my big TV right here with the fireplace already come with it. And then once come to the kitchens, I have a big pantry in my kitchens, and then as usual the 11 cubic foot fridge, 11 cubic 12 volt, fabulous counter. I have my plugs, my nice 1-piece sink, a nice 3-burner range with the oven. This I love. People, they think this is the hood. This actually is a hood with a hidden microwave. So this one has a hidden microwave as well, a hood, and it gives you the nice residential look in your kitchen. A lot of nice cabinet, and then you have a beautiful kitchen countertop with 2 big windows, so it gives me a lot of scene, so I could see through the river, the oceans. And then I have a bar stool. I could feed my kids on the counter, serve them some food. I could do work from here. I could do all kinds of things. And also I could use this one to the bunk room. Unbelievable. A nice kitchen, a nice room, a nice living area, and it still look like a travel trailers, but it's a bunk model because I have a hidden bunk room inside the 29 View. Secret room coming in. This is a beautiful room. It has a bunk to lay down here. One of my kids has a step, a lot of closet storage. I could put a TV right there, and then I have a nice table over here. So if I want a table with the stools, it comes with the stools. I could do some homework, I could play with it, and then I have another additional bunk, so I could sleep one on the top, one on the bottom. They have reading tables or a table to play cards on it. There's a lot of storage. I could put a TV here for the bunk room. That is the secret about the 29 View. It has a hidden bunk room. Still all the function of the travel trailer, but there's hidden rooms, so when you walk in, you cannot tell you have a hidden room. About the 29 View is the following thing is the master bedroom. Master bedroom, we talked about it before. It has the inclined bed, so this bed is on a switch. So if I need to bring this bed down, I could bring it down, and I could still walk around. If I want to raise that bed, I could raise it and could use it as a seating area, reading book. I have place for a TV. I have my own second AC, so this unit comes with 2 AC, now 1, and then a big closet. And again, voila, I have a room for my stackable washer dryer if I choose to do it. And it's 50 amp service, and I have the hookup for it. So it's designed for the stackable washer and dryer on the 25. 24 not, but the 25 they do. A lot of storage, a lot of cabinet. And then also has a lot of baskets for socks, sheets, you name it. And then I will love the view, the 29 View. Look how beautiful curvy bathroom door. So it has a nice solid pocket door as well. Very roomy shower. I could stand in the showers with no problem. And it has even a privacy curtains. Nice toilet, nice sink with a place for hair dryers, place for more towels, you name it. So again, this is the nice thing about the 29 View. Why? Because it looks like a nice beautiful travel trailers with a lot of kitchen countertop, a lot of pantry, a lot of closet, a lot of seating, a lot of counter space. And I'm still not give up all of that because I have The closet, I could show you, it is a pantry, but it's actually in reality it's a hidden bunk room in the slide out. So I could go inside and I have my bunk room for the kids. I could put them to bed. I could tell them good night, go to your room, and here it is, room inside the slide out. Come to Best RV as usual, and I'm saying again and again, we shop, we give you the lowest price on a brand new 2025 Wildwood 29 View from Best RV for $38.99. Come get it from Best RV in Turlock, California.